Hello everyone, this is the Tarot Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading for the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Venus rising for the Capricorn. The reading is for the 21st July to the 31st July 2020. Okay, so I would like to let you know that these are the general readings, so each and every message may or may not resonate with each and everyone, so take the messages wisely according to your situation. Okay, and I will start with the reading for the Capricorn. If you want any personal guidance, if you want any personal reading with me, then I am going to share my details in the description box below, so you can contact me. Okay, and please let me know in the comment section if the messages are resonating with you. Okay, and if you want any new reading with the new topic, then I can do that also. Please let me know in the comment section if you want any reading. Okay, so what is the message for the Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Venus rising for the Capricorn in this week, coming week? Okay, at the end of the reading I will let you know some advice card. I will pull some advice card for you, and I will let you know the affirmations for that. Okay, okay, so Four of Wands, Eight of Pentacles and the Moon. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. Okay, so for the energies of the current incoming week is you are working for your stability. Okay, you want the result to be fruition. Okay, or some of you have got that already, but there are some things which are remaining, so you have to be patient for that, because there is no movement regarding that situation as you think, as you are not able to see, because some things are hidden from you. Okay, the Moon, some things are hidden from you which are there to bring you the stability in your life, in your career, in your personal life. Okay, right now there is no moment, right now you just have to wait. Okay, I think this is some of you for the financial status. Okay, you have to take your burden off. Okay, you have been taken so much burden on you, you have to be taken off that burden. Okay, you have to focus on yourself. Okay, you have to open your third eye chakra so that you are able to see the things clearly. Some of the things are not some of things are hidden from you because universe not want to let you know that things, because it is not your part. Okay, so you just focus on your intuitions, and your intuitions will guide you to follow the path, to go for the path, correct path. Okay, even though the things are hidden from you, but still you will get the stability. I feel that you will get the stability, but you have to be intuitive. You have to be open your third eye chakra, your heart chakra, your third eye chakra, so that you are able to seek the truth. Okay, and this will come to you, but it right now it is not coming to you because it is not the divine timing. Okay, some things are happening in the specific time only. Time is the best solutions. Okay, so you have to, right now you just have to take off your burdens and go within and focus on your intuitions. Work self love, do the self love. Okay, focus on your intuition, do some meditations, open your third eye chakra, open your heart to give and receive. Okay, see, you have been closed your third eye chakra, sorry, you have closed your heart chakra. Okay, then only the rewards will pay off. Then only these things will then only you will able to see the movement. Okay, right now you just have to focus on yourself, then only the offers will come to you. Okay, then only the money will come to you. You have to supposed to work on yourself. So I will pull now some guidance card for you. Okay, some of you, for some of the viewers, I am able to see that there are some financial issues in your married life. That's why you are not feeling stable, but you have to take off the burdens and go with your intuitions. Okay, your intuitions are guiding you and you are not trusting that intuition, so you are supposed to trust your intuitions. Okay, so what is the guidance for you for this week for the sun, moon and rising Capricorn? What is the guidance for Capricorn? Please, universe, please guide, let us know what are the advice. Stability will be there, just don't worry about it, just go within. Okay, seek yourself. Okay, seek your inner power, meditate. Okay, aspiration, you are unlimited, so aim for the stars. See, I told you, you have to go within. Okay, go, just universe is telling you to put your aim high as much as you can. You will come to that you will achieve that aim, but for that you have to be set your aims high. Okay, you are unlimited, you have lot of power, you have lot of strength to do. Okay, you and universe is with you. Okay, so focus on yourself. The number one is telling us to focus on yourself. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the feather. This is letting you know that the unicorns are near with you. You might be seeing the feathers around you, around your workplace, around your home, around the area you wander. Okay, so this is the sign from universe that they are with you. Okay, so now I will let you know the affirmations. So you have to do that affirmation. Okay, then you can come out of this situation. The energy is that something is hidden from you, the secrets will get open. Okay, or even though secrets will not open, you will find your path. Okay, so the first is aspiration. Unicorns help you to aspire to great spiritual heights. So raise your vision and know that your potential is limitless, for they are supporting your dreams, because you have lot of potential in you, so the universe is with you. Okay, so your affirmation is, the unicorns support my aspirations, your dreams, your target, whatever your desires. Unicorns, universe, God, angels are with you. Okay, so your affirmation is, unicorns, universe or God support my aspirations, dreams, desires. Okay, and the second affirmation is for the feather. When you choose this card, it is the sign from the unicorn that they have a message for you. So look for a sign from them and know that they are assisting you. So universe will give you the sign. See, I told you, some offer will come to you, some money offer will come to you. So you have to take off your all the burdens, whatever you are carrying the burdens. You are not able to see anything. See, this person is not able to see anything because he has been hooded with these wands. Okay, so when he will put all the wands and when he will look around, then only he is able to see all the situations, all the opportunities for him. Universe is giving him the opportunity. Okay, universe will give you the opportunity, then you will come to in your form. This is the Capricorn card. Okay, so just look for the message, signs or the messages. You will get anything, any email, message, info, telephone, interview call, anything. Okay, you have to be presentative for that. So your affirmation is, I look for a message from unicorns today. This affirmation you have to do daily. Okay, then you will get the sign, the message from the unicorns, from the universe, from the God, to whomsoever you believe. Okay, so this is the reading for you, and please let me know in the comment section if the reading is resonating with you or not, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, take care, bye bye.